welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amber. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Ladies, please be sure to subscribe if you are new, and make sure you like, comment, and share this video. Ladies, tonight we're going to be making a drink called an Aperol Spritz. It's a super refreshing drink. It reminds me of like summer. So I hope you're ready to relax, kick your feet up, unwind, and join me for a drink tonight. I want you to put on an outfit that makes you feel confident and meet me right back here in this kitchen. But before you go, there's gonna be a few items you'll need for tonight's drink. You're gonna need Prosecco, tonic, Aperol liquor, fresh oranges, a glass, and I'll be waiting. Great, you're back, and girl, you look good. You look like you're ready to relax and have this drink. So let's go ahead and set the mood. I'm gonna go ahead and light my candles. I got my little robe on, my makeup, my smell goods, and I'm feeling good, I'm feeling relaxed. So let's go ahead and get to this drink. I'm gonna take my glass and fill it with ice. Got my ice. I'm gonna take some orange wedges and just put it right up in here. Take another one and set it to the side. Then I'm going to take 6 ounces of Prosecco. Two ounces of Aperol liquor. And 1 ounce of tonic. Then I'm gonna take my orange and freshly squeeze it in here. Yes. Then I'm gonna take this here for garnish. And there you have it, the Aperol Spritz. Super refreshing. Well, ladies, I hope you enjoyed tonight's drink, and I'll see you next time. Bye.